Are you feeling some of the February blues? Let's see if 10 minutes or so of light, gentle movement can't boost our mood and energy, and see if in the meantime we can't continue to create some wonderful mobility, strength, and balance. We're just starting with a simple shift of body weight, crossing our arms in front of our body, right arm in front, left arm in front, just very gentle and simple to start. Breathe in and out, in and out. We're gonna move slowly, but very intentionally today. Now, let's just twist. Keep your arms nice and loose in front and to the side of your body. Just see if we can't wake up our joints. Without overthinking it, see if some light movement can't boost our mood and energy. I just have to say it and it works. It truly does. Movement is medicine. It is magical. Nowhere to get to, just for the simple act of appreciating these bodies and seeing that it does help to get out of overthinking in that monkey mind. We simply move our bodies. Okay. Just swing your arms forwards and back, head up high. Breathe into it and out, in and out. Be playful with your arms. How would a child do this move? Oh, their whole body would get active, become even more dynamic throughout the entire movement. Bend your knees a little bit. Swing those arms up just a little higher. Swing them back a little further. You got it. All right, nicely done. That crossing of our arms, let's come back to that a little bit. But gently, slowly squat up and down. Go as low as you like. But just move gently and intentionally. And maybe smile the whole time. Especially if you want to challenge yourself. You want to get real low. Go as low as you can. That's as low as I can go right now. Oh, embrace the challenge. Smile at the difficulties that we have to face with grace and perseverance. Oh, I can do this. Oh, one last one here. There we go, rise up and already. Let's just kick. Sort of like a military march. Swing that arm up. Get that leg up as high as you can. Point the toe. You're welcome to swing the arms across too if you like. Twist into the movement. Make it your own. This is your movement session. Do what works best for you. You're here, you're moving. That's what's important. As long as we get that mood and energy elevated, job done. And hopefully this sparks a little bit of more movement, a little more movement throughout your day. Get the leg up a little higher. I like that. Sweep the arm across real quick. Remember to breathe throughout your day. Remember to breathe. When we intentionally breathe, it can change everything. Take our mind off all that overthinking. One conscious breath can bring us back into the present. All right. Well done. Oh, one arm, big circle. Shift your weight From the forwards to the back. Forward and back. Big arm circle. Reverse the circle. Really shift that body weight. Let's go to the other side. Same movement. Other arm facing the other way. Our air guitar. Yeah. Strum that guitar. Ooh. Let's go forward with that. Nice big circle, building great mobility in our shoulders, upper back. Very dynamic down below. There we go. Last one. Yeah. Okay. Do your very best with this movement. It's going to look different for each and every one of us. So, I'm bringing the arms up nice and high into a curtsy squat. Now you can bring your knee all the way to the ground. Wonderful. I do not have access to that yet. Just do what you can. Slow with this movement. Get those arms up nice and high too. Feel it in the shoulders, the upper back. Maybe you can get down just a little bit lower. Full body dynamic movement. Maybe you spread your wings here. It's like a thank you for being able to move my body. Thank you that I can pretend to be a bird. Oh, we are blessed. We're breathing, we're moving, we're alive today. Hallelujah. Okay, one more here. Nicely done. Let's keep working on that leg strength, because we know people with strong legs have sharp minds. So we're twisting with long arms here, but then begin to squat down ever so gently and rise up. Come on down and back up. Twist as deep as you can. Squat as low as possible. But more importantly, just enjoy the ride, the movement. Ooh, getting a little deeper. It's amazing when you show up every day. What can happen? It truly is the consistency over the intensity. Ooh, one more. Yeah. Ooh, can you feel it in the shoulders? So can I. Narrow stance, wonderful. I'd like you to breathe in real deep. Breathe in, reach your arms up. Exhale and simply fall forward. Bend your knees generously. Breathe in. Reach up to the sky. Exhale, fall forward. Find a nice rhythm here that works for you and just flow. Look up to the sky. Exhale, fall forward. Feel that in the lower back, the backs of the legs, up in the neck. Real intentional. One more here. Breathe in. Hold it up top for a moment. Suspend your breath. Look to the sky. Exhale, fall forward. Just hold it there for a moment. Just stay. Just notice. Oh, rise up. Well done. Okay. Oh, let's begin to just shift our body weight from side to side. Point your toe. Come up off your heel. And slowly but surely, we're going to come in to a little penguin again. Just to continue to create balance, core stability and strength here. As we finish off our session, you're welcome to close your eyes and try to practice that way. Breathe into one side, out to the other. Maybe you want to bring your hands to your heart. Just notice the beating of your heart. An opportunity to show our appreciation for these beautiful bodies. Oh, shake it out. I hope your mood is boosted, your energy is elevated, and you have the most terrific day. Thank you so much. I'm truly grateful to you. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.